So you might have heard that OpenAI have been working on a device, a physical device, with Jony Ive. Well, this is not that, but it's something very, very interesting to say the least.
Command AI.
This is the new device launched by OpenAI in combination with Work Louder. Basically, this fancy little device here, which has knobs, it has screws, it has joysticks, it has lights, which look really, really quite nice actually. The fact that you've got these different lights there, and I wonder whether you can change the colours or whether they're set. Now, if you're a long-time viewer of the show, you'll know that I already have this device. This is Framer's collaboration with Work Louder, and all Framer did, all Framer did was give you a blue knob, and they gave you a publish button to go with it as well. So that's all that's different there. But they've obviously given you some keycaps, because again, if I show you this, I got a bunch of keycaps that are more tuned to Framer's requirements from a device like this, which obviously I don't use. I've kind of made up some there. Yeah, it's quite a nice, it is a really nice tool. The secret sauce, I thought I'd be using this all over the place, but really the secret sauce to this is I use it for editing, because you can change, basically depending on the app, you can change all of the configurations and layouts and whatever, not layouts, but the configurations. The issue is, because there's no screen on the buttons, you kind of forget what the buttons do. That's why those stream decks are really cool, because they actually have screens on them and you can see what the buttons actually do, unless you use it for hours every single day, you know. I use this for editing a lot, so I remember all the buttons, but as soon as I switch it to Claude Code, which I have it set up for, I forget what all the buttons do. So really they tempt you with the idea that you can have different configurations for all those apps, but again, unless you're using those apps all day, every day, you're going to forget what the buttons do, unfortunately. But it is still really nice, and I love the white. I really do like the white little Codex logo. And here's the thing, ChatGPT, OpenAI, they're trying to get rid of the Codex thing because it's so confusing, and now they come and bring this back. I kind of want it. How much is it? I think they're quite expensive. I think they're about 150 bucks. 230 bucks. I think mine was 170. Whew. That's a lot. They're sold out anyway. But yeah. So not the device that we were hoping for. However, a pretty cool device nonetheless. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Command AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Command AI.